I see you, right where you are. I see the weight you've been carrying. I see the nights you didn't tell anyone about. I see the silent prayers, the tears you tried to hide, the moments when you almost walked away, when you almost gave up. But listen to me now. Do not give up. Not now. You are closer than you think. You feel tired because the battle has been long. You feel discouraged because the answer hasn't come the way you expected. You feel like nothing is changing, like your prayers are echoing into silence. But I am not silent. I am working in ways you cannot see yet. Every delay has a purpose. Every closed door has protection in it. Every moment of waiting is shaping something inside of you that you will need for where I am taking you. You think this is the end of your story, but I tell you, this is the turning point. Do you remember how many times I carried you before? Do you remember the doors I opened when there was no way? Do you remember the strength you had that you know didn't come from you? That was me. And I have not changed. The same power that brought you through before is still working for you now. So why would you give up now? Right before the breakthrough. Right before the healing. Right before the answer you've been praying for. The enemy wants you to quit in the final stretch, he whispers. Lies to your mind, telling you it's over, telling you nothing will change, telling you that you've waited too long. But those are not my words. My word to you is this. Hold on. I know you're tired. I know your faith feels weak sometimes. I know you don't always understand what I'm doing, but you don't have to understand to trust me. I am still writing your story. What you're going through right now is not punishment, it's preparation. I am strengthening you, refining you, building a faith in you that cannot be shaken by circumstances. Because where I am taking you, you cannot go weak. You must be ready. That delay you're frustrated about, it's aligning things you cannot see. That door that didn't open, it was not meant for your future. That pain you're feeling, it's producing a strength that will carry you into your calling. Nothing is wasted. Not your tears, not your waiting, not your struggle. I am using it all. You feel like you're behind in life, like others are moving ahead while you're stuck. But you are not behind. You are on my timeline. And my timing is perfect. If I moved too early, you wouldn't be ready. If I answered too soon, you wouldn't be prepared to sustain the blessing. So I am working in you before I work around you. I am building your character before I release your calling. Do not rush the process. Do not abandon what I've started in you. Because what I begin, I always finish. You may feel like giving up, but I have not given up on you. You may feel like walking away, but I am still holding on to you. Even when your faith is weak, mine is not. Even when you feel lost, I know exactly where you are, and I am guiding you, step by step, even when you don't realize it. So breathe. You don't have to have it all figured out today. You just need to take the next step. Trust me one more day. Pray one more prayer. Hold on a little longer, because suddenly, things will change. What felt stuck will begin to move. What seemed impossible will open. What you cried about will turn into a testimony, and you will look back and realize, I was there the whole time. I was working behind the scenes. I was protecting you from things you never saw. I was aligning people, opportunities, and moments just for you. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are chosen. And your story is not over. So don't give up now. Not when you've come this far. Not when your breakthrough is closer than ever. Not when I am about to do something in your life that will exceed everything you asked for. Stand firm. Even when it's hard, stand. Even when it hurts, stand. Even when you don't understand, stand. Because I am with you. And if I am with you, nothing can stop what I have planned for you. This is your moment to trust me deeper. This is your moment to rise stronger. This is your moment to believe again. Do not give up now. I am about to turn things around. If this message spoke to you, don't ignore it. This may be exactly what your soul needed today. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to Ministry of Hope Official, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next message meant for your life. And before you go, comment below, "God, I will not give up." Say it in faith and carry it with you today.